So in this video, what I'm trying to do is to deploy a very simple S3 bucket into one of my chosen AWS accounts using infrastructure as code CDK. So I've put together a TypeScript file in VS Code, as you can see. It's very simple, pretty much just saying new S3 bucket, and I haven't given even a name on it within the property area, but I have put the encryption as S3 managed. So this one, I will be deploying this into the AWS account. But I'm also going to treat this account as I've never used this function before. So if you are a first-time user, you need to run the CDK bootstrap that will deploy the CDK toolkit stack into your account, and then you can actually CDK synth and deploy this simple TypeScript file to create a S3 bucket into AWS account. So let's start. So I'm going to open my terminal. The shortcut I use is, if you are a Mac user, go to Control and tilde, two buttons together, Control tilde, and I'm going to clear this. And we have to run the CDK bootstrap and make sure that we deploy that CDK toolkit stack into the account, and make sure you log into your AWS account profile in this terminal. So it's creating the bootstrapping environment in your chosen AWS file account. So you can see it's creating a CDK toolkit. That's what your stack's name. And it's creating a bucket, and it's creating a couple of roles as well. So fairly short process, doesn't take long. You will notice that it's creating 12 items to start with. Sorry, the last couple might take a little longer, so I'm going to pause it and I will be back. The CDK toolkit stack has been deployed into the account, so we'll just jump onto the AWS account. Yeah, so that has been, okay. So that's what we actually deployed. So these are the resources we deployed for that. So it's complete, awesome. Now we're going to jump back to our VS Code. And now what we're going to do, we need to synth our TypeScript file. So CDK synth. So CDK synth command will turn our TypeScript file into a CloudFormation template, which is a YAML file. And after that, we can run CDK deploy. Before I run that, I'm going to jump back on to our AWS account. So we've got only 2 stacks at the moment. But when we jump back to our VS Code and run deploy, that's gonna create our stack. Let's take it. Deploying that, we'll just jump back in here, refresh it. Yeah, so the bucket stack is actually in the process at the moment. Yeah, so it's creating the sample bucket, because we didn't give it a name. I'll pick up a name for it. It's going to take a few minutes to create the bucket. I believe that's actually completed. So if we jump onto buckets, I'm gonna refresh this and it'll show us the bucket, sample bucket that's been created. So that's how you create a simple S3 bucket using a TypeScript file in your VS Code as a CDK project. So that's it. Total times taken was only 55.74 seconds to deploy that. So it's amazing. I hope this is going to help you some way, and thanks for watching.